Making classic paper airplanes.
So this is what it looks like, and this is how it flies. It can fly better than I will show you. It just depends on you folding. Okay, here it goes. So yeah, that one.
Wait, I want to zoom in now. You still can't see it. Let's go get it. Oh, landed!
Okay, so here's how you make it. So you can use better paper than this. I'm just using this to show you. So you start by folding it in half. You don't need to do this, but it just makes the folds better. Get it as even as you can. And then you will fold the top things. Make sure it lines up right into the middle. Like that. And then do the same thing with this side. Allie, go! And then you fold it like this. Like that. And then you do the same thing with this side. And then you fold it in half. And then you do the wings. Just like that. And then you have a classic paper airplane. And then you fly it. That one was good.
Bye-bye.